good one. That's a good one.
What's up, guys? Brian here, Amazing RC. We are out here at my new happy place, we'll call it, out here at the big super smooth lot. Now we're going to do our last testing before we run the actual speed run for the DRIFTOMANIACS jumping speed run challenge. We're going to test out the speed of the car today. Oh, hey, here I am. We're going to test out the speed of the car today and basically the POV, see if everything runs straight. And then we're going to do a final run. That's going to be here within the next day or two. You guys are going to get the video of that. And I got a special surprise that you're not going to see any of today. And that's going to add just a tiny bit more danger in this. But trust me, safety is the key here. Don't try this at home. All the other good disclaimers. Guys, I hope you guys had a great Mother's Day weekend. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. It's Brian, Amazing RC. Send this thing down the road, huh? Well, I might need a tiny bit more room. I'm not sure yet. I don't know if I'm getting up to full speed or not. We'll have to wait and see when I check the tape. However, on that third one, I know darn well I jumped over the car because I'm glad I brought a second pair of shorts. Kind of comes up on you pretty quick. So at least we know I can jump over the car. Guys, we're gonna get you that actual speed run challenge here in just a couple days. And like I said, we're gonna add a little something you guys aren't ready for. So wish me luck. Brian, Amazing RC. Get you guys another really cool video real soon.